Gophers. They've improved to 9-0 for the first time since 1904.
That was an awesome performance, and doing this for a whole month. Minnesota is on the up.
Up in that top 8 right now and feeling good. Everything is in front of them.
Teams have to be wary of Minnesota because they've got...
The belief on this team, the buy-in is incredible.
A lot of the football left to be played, but I think Minnesota proved today that they need more respect.
It's going to be fascinating because we've got them.
Oh, he has the catch. Puts on a move. And Minnesota has knocked off Penn State.
We are 0-0, and this is a one-game championship against Iowa.